Hello everyone, we are going to create our thank you slide today. Why thank you slide? Because it's an easy one and we can create it easily. Let's do and try to create it. We create a blank slide. You need to go to Google Chrome or any other browser and search download free night of a star picture, and then go to this site. Unsplash, it has lots of free and downloadable picture you can use. For example, let's see what is this video. Some of them are free and some of them are not. Let's see how about this. Browse premium, they are premium, we don't need them, we are going to use free pictures. Okay, I think it's good. These are not free, we are going to use some of them that's going to be free. We download one of them and we also download this one. We wait a little for it to be downloaded, then we open it. We copy that, paste it here. We scratch it to the full size. Okay, it's good. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go to picture format and make the sharpness a little low and brightness a little lower and give it a little contrast. And then we are going to edit picture color. If we need, we don't need them, and the transparency is right, everything is right. Now we just insert a text box and we write it here, thanks. Thank you. Okay, it's done the work. We increase it in size. Now we need to crop this picture because if it's fit to the size, it's easier to work with it. I think, okay, it's now fitted. We create it and put it here. Use some and then increase it. Go to here, choose this and then color it white. Now this is your thank you slide, and you can use some options for that, like zoom. It's good. Now when you go here, your thank you slide is created. Okay, until the next lesson we complete this tutorial, don't forget to ask me if you need in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.